Hello law learner, welcome to our channel. So today we will learn about constitution amendments procedure. So before starting the video, please to subscribe our channel and don't forget to tap the bell icon to stay updated with new videos. In previous video we have learned about the amendments of constitution, and in this video we will learn the type of amendments and procedure. So, the Indian Constitution has undergone numerous amendments since its adoption in 1950. As of March 2025, there have been 106 amendments, making it the most amended national constitution in the world. Types of amendments. The Indian Constitution can be amended in three ways. First one, by simple majority of parliament, in which certain provisions can be amended by a simple majority of the two houses of parliament, such as admission or establishment of new states, formation of new states, and abolition or creation of legislative council in states. In simple means we can say that the how many present members are there, more than 50% vote is coming from them, then it is passed. By special majority of parliament, the majority of provisions require a special majority of the parliament, which means a majority of more than 50% of the total membership of each house and a majority of two-thirds of the member of each house present and voting, which means in any parliament 50% of total membership should be there and the bill should be passed with two-third majority of the members. So this is the thing is been told in special majority of parliament. And last one, by special majority of parliament and ratification of half of the states. Certain provisions related to the federal structure of the Indian polity required a special majority of the parliament and the ratification of at least half of the state legislature, which means if the bill is passed with special majority of parliament, that is 50% of the total membership of each house and two-thirds of the members of each house majority, right? And with that there should be 50% or a special majority of the states should approve the amendment so that it can be amended, because there are many laws which are being applicable for state also. So state consent, state legislature consent is also needed, right? So article 368 of the constitution have given detailed knowledge about two kind of amendment types, that is special majority and passed by special majority and ratification of the half of the state legislation by simple majority. So we will read more about it. And this is the simple majority, which means 50% of the member present, minded present and voting. Absolute majority is what? More than 50% of total strength of the house, means whatever the number, total number of members, so more than 50% is voting. That is the thing. If there is total number of members 15, and if there 10 is present, we will count 7.5 according to 15, not 5, right? And special majority is what? Generally 2 by third of the total strength and 2 by third of the present and voting, means both 2 by third of the total strength will count and also 2 by third of the present and voting. And last one is effective majority, which means 50% of the strength is calculated and subtracting the vacant seat from total strength, means whatever the seat we have to count and also subtract the seat that are not fulfilled, we have to minus it and take this calculation. So now we will learn about procedure for amendment. The procedure for amending the constitution involves the following step. First one, a bill for amendment can be introduced in either house of the parliament. Means the bill can be present by any house of the parliament before, that can be Lok Sabha or Rajya Sabha. The bill must be passed in each house by a special majority. Whatever the procedure of majority, the bill must be followed by the parliament so that it can be passed, and should be passed with a special majority. If the bill seeks to amend federal provision, it must also be ratified by the legislation of half of the state. If the provision in the bill includes that it must be passed within the state by half of the majority, means by ratification, then it must be gone through that process, and after that, after ratification, the bill is presented to the president for assent. After that, the bill must be presented to the president for signing it, and then it will be passed. So for today, this much only. Thank you. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and tap the bell icon to stay more updated with this kind of video. Please do subscribe and don't forget to like, comments and share with your friends. For any query, comment section is open for you. Thank you.